The Fitbit Charge series is a leader in fitness trackers, known for health monitoring and sleek design. The Charge 6, launched in September 2023, reinforced this reputation. With innovation moving fast, excitement is building for the rumoured Charge 7. Here in today's video, we have looked at speculations and potential features based on rumours roaming around the internet. One of the most significant areas of speculation for the Fitbit Charge 7 revolves around its design and display. Fans and analysts alike are predicting a complete overhaul of the device's aesthetic. Fitbit has a history of refreshing its designs every 2 years, and since the Charge 6 carried forward a look similar to its predecessor, the Charge 7 might be due for a substantial redesign. Rumours indicate that the Fitbit Charge 7 could feature a larger and more vibrant AMOLED display, possibly increasing to 1.5 inches with a resolution of 240 x 240 pixels. This would be a significant leap from the Charge 6's 1.04-inch screen. A bigger screen could enhance the overall user experience, making it easier to read notifications, view detailed health metrics, and interact with the device. Users have long requested more screen real estate for better readability, especially during workouts when glances at data are essential. A redesign could also mean a slimmer and more modern profile, aligning with trends in wearable technology. Fitbit may introduce new color options and premium materials to appeal to style-conscious consumers. While the current Charge models are already lightweight and comfortable, incremental improvements in ergonomics and build quality could further enhance user satisfaction. Health tracking is where Fitbit shines, and the Charge 7 is expected to raise the bar even higher. One of the most exciting rumoured features is continuous blood glucose monitoring. If implemented, this feature would provide real-time glucose readings, a game changer for individuals managing diabetes or those who want deeper insights into their metabolic health. Fitbit's competitors, such as Samsung and Huawei, have already made strides in this area, so adding CBGM could be essential for maintaining Fitbit's competitive edge. Additionally, the Charge 7 might expand on menstrual health tracking features. While Fitbit's existing trackers already provide some support in this area, enhanced tracking could include more detailed cycle predictions, symptom logging, and hormonal insights. Such features would make the device more inclusive and tailored to diverse user needs. The Charge 6's introduction of an AI-powered heart rate sensor was a standout feature, offering highly accurate readings during both rest and exercise. The Charge 7 could build upon this technology, integrating it with advanced algorithms to provide even more personalized insights. Features like cardio fitness scores and irregular heartbeat detection might become more accurate and user-friendly. Stress monitoring is another area where Fitbit could innovate. The rumoured inclusion of continuous electrodermal activity sensors would allow for real-time stress level tracking, helping users manage their mental health proactively. This aligns with the growing trend of wearables focusing not just on physical health, but also on emotional well-being. The absence of an altimeter in the Charge 6 was a point of contention for many users, as it limited the device's ability to track elevation and the number of floors climbed. Given the feedback from the community, the reintroduction of the altimeter in the Charge 7 seems likely. This addition would cater to hikers, runners, and other outdoor enthusiasts who value elevation data as part of their fitness metrics. While the Charge 6 offers a decent battery life of up to 7 days, competitors like Amazfit have pushed the envelope with devices that last up to 18 days on a single charge. If the Charge 7 introduces a larger AMOLED display and new features, Fitbit will need to balance these enhancements with efficient power management to ensure comparable or improved battery performance. Since Google acquired Fitbit, there has been ongoing speculation about the integration of Wear OS into Fitbit devices. The Charge 7 might be the first in the series to adopt Wear OS, offering users access to a broader range of apps and services. This could significantly enhance the device's functionality, making it more versatile for everyday use beyond fitness tracking. However, integrating Wear OS comes with challenges, particularly regarding battery life. Wear OS is known to be more power-intensive than Fitbit's proprietary operating system. Fitbit would need to optimize the software to maintain the device's long battery life, a hallmark of the Charge series. The inclusion of Wear OS could also mean improved connectivity with other Google services, such as Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Pay. This integration would make the Charge 7 more appealing to users already invested in the Google ecosystem. The fitness tracker market is highly competitive, with Garmin, Amazfit, and Apple leading in different areas. To stay ahead, Fitbit must innovate while keeping its strengths affordability, accuracy, and ease of use. Garmin excels in fitness metrics. Apple focuses on integration and apps, while Fitbit's user-friendly health tracking appeals to a wide audience. Fitbit's strength lies in its user-friendly interface and comprehensive health tracking, making it accessible to a broad audience. The Charge 7's potential enhancements could bridge the gap between casual users and fitness enthusiasts, offering something for everyone. Fitbit's pricing for the Charge series has varied, with the Charge 6 starting at $159.99. The Charge 7 could see a slight increase, possibly matching the Charge 5's $179.999 launch price, depending on the upgrades. Fitbit will need to balance new features with competitive pricing. Regarding the release date, predictions vary, though it is expected to come in early 2025. Fitbit's usual 1-2 year cycle supports a 2024 release, but delays may arise if major features like CBGM or Wear OS are included. While the Fitbit Charge 7 remains a rumor, the expectations surrounding its potential features and improvements highlight the evolving demands of wearable technology users. A larger display, advanced health monitoring capabilities like CBGM, reintroduction of the altimeter, potential integration of Wear OS, and enhanced battery life are among the speculated upgrades that could make the Charge 7 a standout device in the fitness tracker market. As we await official announcements, it's essential to approach these rumors with a degree of caution. However, if Fitbit delivers on even a fraction of these expectations, the Charge 7 could be a game changer for fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. For now, all eyes are on Fitbit to see how it plans to shape the future of wearable technology. So that was all about the Fitbit Charge 7. Thanks for watching.